All right, once we're inside the Systems Accelerator Manager, we're going to navigate to the Outbox. Now, the other thing that you can do inside of the Outbox is you can send and build one-off messages. So on the top right-hand side, this new message is going to allow us to do that. Now, we can either send out emails or SMS, very similar to how we have our templates differentiated, but inherently, these are going to be focused. So from here, I click email. It's going to open up our email template builder, and we can start building out our email message. If I want to open up a template that I already have built, we can also do that as well. And then the other way in which we can send a message is through the SMS, which is the exact same. It opens up, we're able to build a message. We can either click in and type the phone number, or we can click on this contact section, and we can also search for specific phone numbers, or we can search for specific contacts to be able to find all of these. Now from here, again, we have the option of sending it now, sending it later, or just saving it as a draft. Maybe it's something that we know we need to build, we know we need to send out, but we're not quite sure when it's going to get sent out, and we just want to start getting the content created. So this is going to be where we are able to do that.